Hey everyone, my name is Ronak, back with another video, and this is the fifth video in the NLP Basics playlist. It's been a long time and I have not posted anything. I was quite busy with my schedule, but I'm back. Okay, I'll try my level best to post something or the other. So in the NLP, we stopped at something known as stemming, and now in today's video, we are going to learn lemmatization. So stemming is a form with which you can get the root of the word. Okay, pretty much great thing. Okay, because I can only focus on the root of the word and I can get the semantic of the word so that I can give it for the further operations, but not always this is going to be a more sufficient thing. The reason is the grammar effects, and as long as the semantics, so as per the sentence, the detailed semantics which are associated with just the root of the word would not sustain as much as you think. So stemming is usually used to generate the root stem of the word. Like I said, okay, I have written it over here. So this gives us the concise vocabulary to be further processed. All right, pretty good stuff. Okay, it doesn't matter. And we have something known as the Potter stemmer. Okay, in the last tutorial itself, I have covered a lot of things. Okay, I have covered Lancaster stemmer, I have covered the snowball stemmer, and things like that. Okay, so you can find that video over here. Anyway, so we first have to just import this thing, then we have to run this thing, and I have used some words. Okay, so I have said play, plays, played, playing, and player. Okay, all of these words have the root as the play, but the semantics are going to differ in some time. Okay, so here I perform a list comprehension, which is just potter.stem. So for x I've taken, so x for x in words. Okay, that is the way we say it. And if I check, I get the play, and player. Okay, it is pretty good, but the lemmatization gives me a more edge. Okay, it gives me more words, my vocabulary just expands than the earlier thing, and I can even derive a better grammar out of it, because the vocabulary is not limited in NLP to a particular root. Okay, if your root does not make any sense when actually given in the context, it is useless. Okay, the grammar gives it an expression, and lemmatization pretty much does that because it expands your vocabulary. Okay, so lemmatization, this has a more expansive vocabulary than stemming. This gives a better edge for deriving the semantics, as it is not just the root of the word. Okay, so the words hold somewhat proper meaning, and the way we do it, you will have to import it. So you will have to say from nltk dot stem, import something known as wordnet lemmatization. So for lemmatization, there is something known as wordnet lemmatizer. Okay, and you will have to initialize it. So I'll say wordnet, and I'll say wordnet lemmatizer. Okay, and we have it. Okay, so I have imported it and initialized it. Now I'll just run a list comprehension. So here I'll say lemma. So that is just for lemmatization. Okay, I can even write lemmatization, doesn't matter. And I'll perform a list comprehension. So here I'll say wordnet dot lemmatize, and I'm going to pass. So x. So this is the holding variable that I'm going to consider for x in the words. Okay, so these words are basically these words. Okay, so play, plays, played, playing, and play. And I run this thing. So it takes a little bit more time as compared to the stemming. Okay, stemming is pretty much easy. It just goes to the root of the word. Lemmatization has more expensive vocabulary. And now here I can say lemmatization, and I can say like this. Okay, so I get for play, it is play. For plays, it is play. All right. For played, it is played. Okay, so here the grammar changes, and it takes it into consideration. The words are increasing. That is the thing. Okay, so nothing much more to cover in the lemmatization. It is pretty much easy tutorial, and I don't think that you might be having any difficulties. If you do have any difficulties, please post it in the comment section below. And if you like my content, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the updates, because now I am going to continue with my NLP playlist, and many more things are going to come into picture. And you can find this code in the description box below. It is a GitHub link. Okay, you can click and you can play with the notebook the way you want. Okay, so this is it for this tutorial, and I hope you might have liked it. So till the next tutorial, thank you for watching. Goodbye.